Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we're back to our update on the weather. This is our tropical weather analysis for this Saturday through Monday, July 10 to 12, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GraphSat. Begin today, Saturday, until tomorrow, Sunday. We have the easterly surface wind flow is still prevailing across various portions of Luzon, strengthening a bit, affecting extreme northern Luzon, central and southern Luzon, including Metro Manila, southern Tagalog provinces, the eastern sections of northern Luzon, including the Bicol region, Romblon, Mindoro, and eastern Visayas. So these areas will have cloudy conditions with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, while over the areas like Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, Visayas, rest of Visayas, and Mindanao, these areas will be under the influence of the surface trough. So expect partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. Right now, the southwest monsoon is on a break. So there's no southwesterly surface wind flow occurring over the South China Sea and the West Philippine Sea. Over to the eastern part of the Philippine Sea, we have a surface trough here in the vicinity of Palawan. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPA for the next 3 to 5 days. We have here another surface trough in the vicinity of eastern Micronesia. Nothing to worry about. These systems are just thunderstorms, bringing some rains across Micronesian islands in the western Pacific. Up here over the Batanes Gubab Islands, we have the usual frontal system, the Mayo front, bringing some thunderstorms as well across the Japanese islands as well as into the eastern portion of China. And let's move now towards the fast animation. As of this evening, we have the array of thunderstorms moving across the central portions of Luzon, including Metro Manila, because of the easterly surface wind flow, or easterlies. And if we look at the 6-hour loop, this is beginning at 5 p.m. up to around 10 p.m. we could witness some thunderstorm is still oscillating across the Luzon, particularly the southern sections and central portions, including Metro Manila, and also some isolated thunderstorms all throughout the country. And if we look at the 3-day rainfall accumulation until Monday, we could see that for the next 3 days, rainfall and thunderstorms will persist across the eastern sections of central Luzon, and also some areas of inland central Luzon, including Metro Manila. We'll have some showers and thunderstorms, and also various portions of the Bicol region over at Sibuyan Sea. That includes Marinduque and Romblon, as well as the northern shorelines of Panay, and some moderate thunderstorms will still expected over the areas of central and western Visayas, northern Palawan, eastern Visayas, and the various sections of Mindanao. So these are the effects of the surface trough and the easterly surface wind flow. As we move now at the windy.com wind forecast for the next 3 days, by tomorrow afternoon, we could still expect some easterly surface wind flow affecting the extreme northern Luzon and the eastern sections of Luzon, including the Bicol region, and portions of central Luzon, including Metro Manila. And on Monday, the easterlies will start to weaken along the eastern sections of Luzon, including Bicol region, while light to moderate easterly surface wind flow will continue to prevail across the extreme northern portions of Luzon. That includes Batanes and Babuyan Group Islands. So that's the wind forecast for the next 3 days. And before we leave you, we are going to show you the latest El Nino or La Nina update for the next 6 months until the end of 2021. Now here's the latest, which has been issued for the past week. Now it shows that the La Nina phenomenon is forecast to return this fall until the early quarter of 2022. As you can see, as of this time, these are the months of June, July, August. We are still at 82% neutral conditions or normal conditions. But as we move into September, October, November, the probability of La Nina is now replacing the neutral event. Some 54% probability on these months of September, October, and November, increasing to more than 60% through December and January, reaching a high of 66% compared to neutral conditions, which is only around 32%. So there's a possibility that La Nina may return during the end of the year to early next year, until it will start to become neutral once again, beginning in March to April 2022. So this is another problem to the Philippine Islands, because if we have another round of La Nina, which is common, La Nina phenomenon usually arrive in successive years, okay? Just like in 1998 until 2000, and we have another one that may occur for this winter time and the early quarter of 2022. So expect above average rainfall to occur across the Philippine Islands because of this possible return of La Nina. So folks living in low-lying areas should be prepared, but still on the watch, but still we should watch the development of this forecast, particularly this August and September, if the La Nina phenomenon will really return. So this is still at around moderate or medium chance, medium probability that La Nina will return, although the probability come November, December, January is at its peak of 66%. So we'll keep you updated in coming months. Next month we have another update for the El Nino or La Nina phenomenon. So we will know what will be the latest trend in the next couple of months. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this evening. And we'll be returning again come Monday to give you more update on the weather situation around the Philippine Islands. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mr. Typhoon.tv, as well as clicking the notification bell for the latest uploads from this channel. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Happy weekend to all. Always be safe, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.